Hey Elon, welcome to the podcast.
Hi, Devanshu. Thank you for having me.
So I'll come directly to the burning question. Like as you can see on my screen, there is one tweet where you have said that working will be optional. Like everybody will have money, everybody will have resources, but if you wanna work or don't wanna work, depends on you. So when what do you mean by that? And when is the ETA? We all are very
So,
excited
yes,
for that.
I think eventually having a job will be optional. AI will do most of the work. And
But how will that happen? That's the main question.
war, oil, science, space, AI, weapons, AI,
I did not get it.
deforestation. I studied from Harvard, so only high IQ people can understand which college you went.
Yeah, I studied from the local. Let's move on. Let's not
Back
go
in your
there.
time. Were exam papers leaking too?
Oh, of course, let's move on quickly now. So, what are your thoughts about Indians, like how they are using the AI and how you see like Indians in the
I
future?
love India, but the way Indians are using AI is funny. Like yesterday, Ramesh asked, "How can I get my disputed land from my uncle without shooting him?" Then Raju asked, "How can I convince Neha to marry me? Generate AI
Okay.
photo where I am jumping from cliff." I love that.
Okay, so before the rapid fire round, I'll ask you the last question. So, where do you see everything in next 5 years? Where do you see the world? What changes you see?
That a great question. I see people of USA spreading around the world.
Yeah, because the working will be optional, so everyone will be traveling. Is that what
No,
you're saying?
no, we will win war against everyone and win and then colonize everything.
Okay, that's very evil, Elon, but okay, no problem. So let's moving on to the rapid fire question. So yeah, first whatever comes in your mind, you have to say. I think you know the rules. So first is China,
AI, small eyes, boycott, enemy.
USA,
Best place with worst president.
India,
Maybe Mariji.
jobs,
Firing, waste of time.
people living happily,
It's a myth. No one is or should be happy. You know what I mean?
EMIs.
Never heard of too middle class for me.
Okay, I think that's it from my end, Elon. Thank you so much
Thank you so much,
for joining.
Devanshu.
Yeah.